haul. Okay, so I actually ended up running out of time before I went to go get my kid from school today. So we're doing this after. Look at this. So these are fish cake and potato corn dogs from the Asian market. Like, I don't know if y'all have seen these on Instagram and stuff. I tried one of the ones that had the cheese in it when I went to the Asian market, and oh, I need to get those next time. But I got my swirl of ketchup and mustard on here. I decided to do the swirl on it. Oh, little potato ball. Crispy. I did these in the air fryer. They're a little dark, but it's okay in some places. I'm so excited. You ready? Are you ready? Mmm. Mm. Oh yeah, definitely glad I did these in the air fryer. These are good. Like, these are really good. Oh, like for a corn dog, that's pretty dang good. For real, for real. I have to add the mustard and the ketchup because corn dog, why not? Yeah. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. It is really good. Oh yeah. I can see myself like sipping at night and having a few of these. Just in general snack. Yeah. Air fryer, definitely good. But yeah, so this is actually the first thing I'm eating today. I know, don't help me. There's not a lot going on, but we're all good. We're all good. We're here. We're doing our thing. And oh, mm, mm, mm. Grab my water up there. Oh, there's no tiny demure bites. We're not doing that here. I'm not mindful. I'm not demure. We are here to eat and enjoy. Mm. Oh, yeah. This is good right now. Oh. Well, there's potatoes in there. The hot dog got pulled out of it. I'm dropping potatoes. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. First down. That's for that first mile of the day that I walked. This is for the second one. Ooh, don't waste ketchup. All right, look at this. I do apologize. There's a call coming in. I don't know that number. I ain't answering. All right. I apologize. That messed up the thing. But yeah, here we go. Mm. Mm. There's it. Like, honestly, I ain't mad at it at all. It's pretty dang good. I want to keep it on the stick for the most part if I can. Mm. Mm. Full mustard on my mouth. This is fine. Good stuff. Mm. Tonight is pot stickers night. So I've got these pork pot stickers and these vegetable pot stickers. So, meat and vegetable. They're just in the form of, dumplings, because why not? Oh, I'm so excited for that. But that's going to be a bit, especially after this. I mean, George eats, but I'm going to let this settle just a little bit. Mm. I really see it. I shoved it back in there. Mm. Now you can see I got a little dark there at the bottom, but it's okay. I like it crunchy. Mm. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna take it off the stick for the last part. Yeah, we're going. We're doing it. Corn dog. Mm. Oh, I'm losing them. You know what? The potatoes on the side of here kind of look like French fries. It's like cut up French fries. That's what they look like. I wonder if I can put this whole thing in my mouth. Probably can. Just don't judge me if I can't talk for a second. Mm. Okay. That wasn't too bad. Yeah. All right. That was pretty good. That was satisfying. Feel like I maybe could have done one more, but they only come in a pack of 4. So I decided to do 2 this time, and I got 2 for another time. Oh, water. I love water. Okay, that was good. A little bit quicker of a meal today, but you know what? It's okay. This was, I told you guys I'd be on here. It's Monday. Happy Monday. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Don't forget, I'll be back on Wednesday. I haven't fully decided what I'm doing Wednesday yet, but we're here. So thank you for hanging out with me and eating with me and walking with me if you were with me earlier on TikTok. I've got to get my new stuff made because TikTok is going dark. So I've got to get all that stuff set up. But I will. And then I will. Excuse me. Very nice. Very nice. In here. I will be staying on here on YouTube with you guys Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'll be doing my videos. So keep a lookout. I'll be on here. And I will see you guys Wednesday. I hope you have a great day.